It's mini-me day, it's mini-me day. I'm half naked and ready to play. Alright, so I have the Manny and Me box for September, and as you can see, it is kind of alchemy, Halloween themed, witchy, witchcraft, potions. So there was no secret this month. There was no reason for me to even try to open a box, you know, and be surprised. I already knew what was in it. So we have 2 plates, of course, 2 polishes, and a special item, and I'm really excited about this one. I love their brushes, and this one has gotten a little fancy smancy because I have so many Bundle Monster Maniology brushes. I use them all the time. I really like the ones that, in fact, I bought another, I haven't opened yet, pack of these. I have a dotting tool on one end and a little brush on the other. I love them. I love Maniology brushes, but this is a little fancier this time, and it is a detail brush. So I use these a lot for coloring in images. So that's the extra. I did get a Grenades Chews, a pineapple chew. It's not the pineapple candy, and I don't eat sugar, so I will give this to my son. I will bribe him, I don't know, trash or something. I'll reward him with that. Although I saw Elle from Polished Panther say she got some and it tasted like pineapple toothpaste, so it'll be funny to watch him eat it. All right, the 2 polishes we have today is this beautiful black Holo, and I actually have that on this hand. It is a linear Holo, and it's called Black Magic. And you can see the Holo better in the bottle than you can on my fingers right now. Really pretty black. The pink. So first, I didn't get a thing, so I'll have to look on the card to see what this is called, besides ugly bubblegum. All right, so let's see what this says. I'm not going to read it all. You know, blah, hocus pocus, okay. Highly pigmented. Let's remember what it says there. Love Potion is the pink, and Black Magic we knew. And the purple crystal drawing brush. It's so hard to read some of these words that it's like nobody's stamping that on their nail. You can't read it. Okay. All right, the witch is sitting on the moon, a little heart. That's cute. I already have another Maniology plate that kind of has the moon phases. Some whirly swirly stuff coming out of, and ghosts coming out of a witch's cauldron with the pumpkin and a skeleton at the bottom. That's cute. Oh, the kitty reading a book. That's adorable. Witch's broom. That looks like the raven. Some alchemy bottles. I think this is a cute plate. Ouija board, kitties and witches' hats, skeletons and potions. I do like those. Kitty. So this is a cute plate. Penny's chewing on her giant bone back there. So some palm reading cans. These are just like full finger images of just random, really cute. I like those. I'm not a huge Halloween fan, and if you've been with me for very long, you know that. I just don't really like Halloween manis that much. It's not my favorite holiday to go crazy on. Some people, it's just like, they can't wait. And here it is September, and I'm doing a Halloween mani. I really like that. Witch be gone. Witches be tripping. Witch, please. Yes, I can drive a stick. Baddest witch in town. Feeling witchy. So you do have to be really quick to get them to stick to this paper. So I'm not really going to show you the image before I stick it on there. But I can tell from pulling this out of the bottle, it is no, look at that. Look how sheer that is. Let's see. Stop judging, Guyleen, before you see. I'm judging. Not opaque at all over the black, barely over the pink or over the white. I mean, look how transparent that pink is on the black. Frickin' frick. Alright, so I muted the rest of the video and decided to do a voiceover because I got really annoyed. Here is, I tried it again over just a black pop stick because I didn't want to put it in my nail and then have to redo the mani. Here is the black, which same as the pink. I mean, it picks up. The pink's not pretty as far as I'm concerned. It's Pepto-Bismol. This is a really pretty polish. I just don't like pink. Look good over the white, and I think it would look pretty over like a pale gray. Would look really nice. It's just hard to make a to see a distinct pattern on black with that black. Love the brush, love the plates. My recommendation is to you guys to purchase the if you want the subscription box, purchase just the plates, the mini box that has plates and the special, you know, whatever, like today is this month is the brush. And the polishes are not exclusive to just the boxes like the plates are. You can actually buy the polishes separate. So that way, I mean, come watch me. If you like the polishes, if they do good, then hey, go buy them. Don't forget to use my code, Guyleen325. I've actually just ordered the fall box they came out with. It has 3 polishes and also another plate to give away. I had someone request I get the kitchen tile plates to give away. So I did purchase that to give away. That'll be coming up soon. And I also have a couple of polishes that I won from Brave Diva nail polish that I already have. So I'm going to be giving those away also. They are not stamping polishes, but I think I will probably end up including a stamping polish. I did have to switch to Hit the Bottle for this moon because the yellows I have that are Maniology are not opaque enough. I would have had to stamp like 3 times over itself to get this moon, the bright yellow I wanted. And I thought it would look really cool to have some smoke coming up to the moon, like the witch was casting a spell. But it didn't show up in the black, which I didn't figure it would. I don't know. I was hoping it would look nice, but couldn't really see it, so I ended up stamping over that too. Look, it's Bewitched. She's so cute. And there I put the lilac cloud over that. And I'm going to use some Shutout from Brave Diva nail polish. Maybe this is what I'll give you guys for stamping polish. It is a 1-coat awesome white polish that stamps, water marbles. I just wanted to make it kind of cloudy and put that skull and bird on there. And then I put the bat, and then it made me think that Batman was putting the bat call out to Bewitched for a little nightly outing, for a little rendezvous. I purchased this from a Polish Pickup. Keep telling you, you better check out the Polish Pickups. And this is Good Grizz. I can't pronounce the name brand, I don't know. But it is a matte top coat that has some shimmer. It's so pretty. And I couldn't help myself. On the left are stamping polishes that Maniology has said they're stamping polishes and put in these boxes. And as you see, none of them are opaque, none of them are pigmented enough to classify as a stamping polish. It needs to look the same color and the same opaqueness over white or black. The shade doesn't change color because of what's behind it. That's a true stamping polish. The third one is actually a Sally Hansen Insta Dry. It's cheaper and better. The top two were, no, the top one and the bottom one were Hit the Bottle, and the second one was Moira. All right. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and here's my husband letting witches feed him.
And revenge is a meal best served cold. I suggest you not.
What are you thinking, Dad? You want that? That's what he wants. Would you like that, huh? He fits, he sits. I brought him some little gel sticker things to decorate the fridge and the window with. He's so excited. Uh-oh. Oh, we got chicken. Because Uncle Fudge works at KFC and brings us chicken.
Yeah.
And we put stickers on Mommy's window. She's gonna love that. Oh, you need that one up there? Careful. What you think, buddy? Where you at, man? Lucas!
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.